This is how to open up a Charles Schwab account. We're going to open up Schwab app. Greeted with this, we're going to go and press open an account. Now, depending on your situation, you're going to choose what type of account this is going to be. I'm just going to go ahead and with brokerage. This gives you a brief explanation on what the brokerage account means. Scroll down. You have two options to open up an individual brokerage account or a joint brokerage. I want to be an individual, so I want to click that. And it's going to ask if you have a login ID. If you do, click yes. If no, since I don't, I'm going to click no. I'm new to Schwab. Now it's going to ask you for your personal information like your name, your email address, and your social security number is very important. Once you fill out all the information, you can click next and you have successfully created your account. If any of this information is incorrect or you don't know why it's not opening an account and you can't click next and move on, there's a number right here that can help you. That is how to open up a Charles Schwab account.